guys, welcome back to our channel. So today it's a sick day, so I feel really sick. It's better if I have a soup. So normally when we drink or when we have soup, it will make us feel better. So when we are feeling dizzy or when we have fever, even cold or cough, it will make you feel better. So normally we might have seen like chicken soup or any other mixed dishes or something, but today we are going to see how to make chicken noodle soup. So this is something different from usual. So let's get into the video and see, because I'm so excited to see how this is going to be made. Come on. Finely chop 2 onions and then slice 1 carrot and then 3 medium size of celery stick. So you have to finely chop them. You can see this is how we have to chop them. And then so olive oil is also another oil which is really good for cooking. So if you use olive oil, it's really good for your health. So now we are going to add finely chopped onion into the olive oil and then finely chopped celery sticks, and then we are going to mix them for a while. So you can see the color of the onion is turning into light brown. So now it's time to heat the vessel and add 10 cup of water, 8 cup of chicken broth and 1 tablespoon of salt and 4 chicken thighs. So it's time for us to add the chicken thigh and we are going to boil it. And now it's time for us to boil let it boil in medium flame for 20 minutes. And you can see how freshly it's done. So the chicken is really soft. You can see the texture. And now we are going to add the fried onion and celery stick. And now we are going to add our sliced carrot over here. So now we are going to add our 250 grams pasta. Now we are adding spiral pasta. If you want, you can add any other, because it depends on you. It's optional. So you can take any of the pastas which you love to have. So now we are going to take the cooked chicken out and let it boil for like 15 minutes. So it's time for us to shred the chicken. So we are taking the chicken separately from the mixture, and then you have to shred the chicken using 2 forks, or else if you are a person who can handle the heat, then you can do it with your hand. But it's easy if you use a fork, because it will be very easy and you can do it very quickly, because it's very sharp than your finger. So now it's time for us to add our shredded chicken into the mixture, and we have to give it a mix. It's time for you to add any seasoning powder that you love to have. And we are adding parsley leaves and garlic paste . So salt, finally the main ingredient, it's for a taste one. We are getting salt for taste, and you see the color, how it turned out. You are finally done with the stew. Yay, we saw how to make this chicken noodle soup. So now it's time for me to go and have it, because I feel really sick. So it's for you also. Do try it at your home and let us know how it turned out. We would love to hear your comments. And if you are sick, hereafter you don't need to ask your mom. You can go to the kitchen, you can find stuff and you can do it on your own. So see you in next video, but don't forget to click on the bell button and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.